everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So Christmas is around the corner, so I thought to share a glamorous look with you guys. And in today's video we will get two different lip options. One is vibrant red and another one is cool pinky nude. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't yet, and do subscribe because it's free and it means a lot for me. So I'm started with prepping my face, and for that I'm using this Biotique Bio Coconut Moisturizer because it really hydrates my face. And then I'm directly started with filling the gaps of my brows, and for that I'm using two brow products. One is from Miss Claire and another one is Wet n Wild India. Whenever do a glamorous look, make sure you are doing your eyes first, so that if you would face any fallout, you can definitely wipe it off. And then to prep my eyelid, I'm applying lots of concealer, and this one is from Maybelline New York, and this is in shade Sensible. And in a dabbing motion, I'm gently dabbed it and blend it out. And then I'm setting this concealer with the help of a compact powder, and this powder is again from Maybelline New York. I love Maybelline. So started my eye makeup with my most favorite eyeshadow palette. This one is from Wet n Wild India, and this is in shade rosè in the your most wanted palette, which obviously get out of stock. And I bought this palette from Miss Claire and during Nykaa Pink Friday sale. This one is my new buy. I'm just trying it, this product, and I kinda like it. There are mere fallouts, but the color payoff, the pigmentation as per the price is quite okay. And I'm just taking that pinky berry color because I really want a pink tone on my crease line, and with the help of pencil brush I'm gently blend it out. And here comes the showstopper. I really admire this color. These days I'm really fond of this green color with some golden sheen in it. And yeah, I just wet my brush with a sprays of some makeup fixer, and then taking this green kajal from Blue Heaven to tightline my eyes, and also apply it on my lower waterline. And then with the help of a pencil brush again, I'm just blend it out, smoking out, and apply the colors one by one to maintain the color coordination, because maintaining it so important. And then concentrating on the outer V and apply that brown color from Miss Claire palette to darken it a bit. Then applying generous amount of mascara. This is from Maybelline again, the Gigi Hadid X mascara. I really love this mascara. If you want to get falsy look, then you definitely buy this. And then taking this yellow color, shimmery shade to highlight my inner corner, and then taking that beside color, which is a golden coppery shade, to highlight my brow bone. And this is the final eye look. Tan tan tan. Then with the help of a tissue paper, I'm just gently wiping off all of the fallouts I face. Then taking this primer from Lakme. This is the Lakme Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and I'm focusing all the areas where I get some oiliness, because it really controls oil and helps you to keep your makeup for a long time. And then taking this foundation, this is from Maybelline again, this is Fit Me foundation, and I'm in shade 128 nude, I guess. Yeah, and I'm gently blend it out, and you might see that it's quite a whitey for my skin tone, but yes, it seems due to the tan I get from my last vacation. Let me know guys if you want to see my month vlog, which will be up on my channel by the month of January. cause I'm having my exams in upcoming few days, so I won't be able to edit them. But let me know if you want to see my Andaman vlog, or if you want to see in a pods or a single video, let me know. So I'm setting my face, and now it's time to contour and chisel it up a bit. For that I'm using this Sivanna Colors Trio palette for my contour. Like blend, and yes, I really love to contour my picky nose, because after contouring it really looks so sharpened. And for my blush and highlighter, I'm taking this palette from Sivanna Colors. To visit description box to check all the details about product. Do visit, guys, and look at the highlighter. I really love Sivanna Color products. They are affordable yet good in quality. Do try. If you ever tried Sivanna Colors products, let me know which product you have tried. And yes, as I said, two lip options. One is nude, so I'm started with the nude one first. And both of the lips are from Blue Heaven non-transferable liquid lipsticks. This retails for ₹205, and this one is the one of the best affordable liquid lipstick in market, I guess. And yeah, I also topped the Bear from Color Bar. I really love that color. This is the nude look. Let me know which one is your favorite, nude lips or the vibrant one. And I'm applying the red one. This red is like, oh, so vibrant. This color is particular for summers, I guess, cause whenever you apply this color you will rock any kind of look. And yeah, this is the another look. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. If you create this look, then tag me. And this is for today's video. See you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Love you. Bye bye.